How to report and delete someone's Facebook account. If you need to report and potentially delete someone else's Facebook account due to violation of Facebook's community standard, then this video is a cert guide to help you out. First of all, open the profile of that particular person on your Facebook application. Then hit on the three dot. There you will see report profile option available. Simply tap on it. Then Facebook will show a list of reasons for reporting the profile. Select the reason that best describe the issue with the profile and follow the on-screen instruction to complete the report. After selecting the reason, tap Submit to send the report to Facebook for review. Facebook team will review the report to see if it violates their policies. If it does, they may take action. In this way, you can easily report and delete someone's Facebook account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.